A bullseye graph such as this can be used to record and control the dimensions of forged parts. For instance, assume the target dimension of a part is 1 inch, with a tolerance of plus or minus 50 thousandths of an inch. This means that the part dimension must not be smaller than 0.95 inches, or larger than 1.05 inches. If a measurement falls between the 0.99 to 1.01 inch range, this is considered excellent. As the measurements deviate from the 1 inch target, the rating drops to good, and then weak, which is barely passable. And of course, anything outside of tolerance must be scrapped. If several parts are measured in the weak range, the forge shop may want to verify that their tooling and equipment meets their standards. Bullseye graphs such as this are simple and efficient methods of quality control.